to learn HTML for beginners and start building websites. It's all begin with HTML elements, the core building blocks of every web page. In this tutorial, I will show you the most important HTML tags and elements step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are starting HTML web development, this video is perfect for you. We will explore HTML elements, basic HTML tags, and how to structure a web page for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create headings, paragraphs, links, image, and the more in HTML. In this video, we are going to learn HTML elements before starting our body part because it's important to know the HTML elements, then we can start our body. So we're starting with the HTML elements. HTML elements have collection of elements used to mark up your content and present in browser. Elements are categorized into five groups. Normal element, void element, RC. RC element is a rich content element and raw text element and the foreign element. I want to note not giving the extra theoretical part to confuse you or to bore you. Just I am showing you the practical and giving the which is required only the definitions and the 2 to 3 lines of theoretical part. In normal element, it returns an presentation directly and callback. It does not require additional attributes for basic presentation. Just we need the start token and the end token which is compulsory for it. Otherwise the code is will not going to work. As we can see here in our VS code, what is the normal element? Just have a look. We use the HTML. This is the start and this is the end. We use start for the styles and for the head. Have a look. We have start and end. For body, we have start and end. Now just look here. What we did in the link, there is no end for link. Meta, we don't have end in meta. This is normal element is head. We have the start and end, which have the start and the end. That is the normal element. We'll have seen here the link and meta. It does not have the end. This is the void element. You just look here. This is an void element. The term void refers to no return. The void element will not return any presentation directly on callback. It requires additional attributes to return a presentation. It is a self-ending. As I show, there is a no end attribute for that. So it is a self-ending. Like we have seen the meta tags, and if we keep the images also we can give the only source in it. We don't have start and end. We can use the BR. It is for the break and the image and the meta. It will not have the end as I show you in our project. Then afterwards we are moving towards the rich content element. It will not allow any other elements within the content. It is only for its data content. It can present only plain text content. Now we can have a look for rich content element in our body. We are creating the text area, normal element, and we are giving a paragraph just randomly. As we enable the emit, so we can use our lorem, so it will give you any paragraph. So we can use it here. Now we had given the paragraph over here. Just have a look how it will be displayed in our browser. When we open this, yeah, you can have a look. Here is the text area. Why this is showing? Because we have to give the more styles attributes to this one. Then only it will present. So we haven't learned about the style, content, box shadow. All we I am going to teach you step by step. As for now, just understand. I had given the text area, how it is going to work. I am giving the styles. text area. Don't worry what is I had giving in the styles. Just understand I am teaching you the concept of the text area. When we will start the box concept and everything in the styles, I am going to teach you step by step. As of now, just concentrate what I am giving in the text area. Width is equals to 100%. Height is equals to 100 pixel. We'll on this line height over from here. What we don't need, we will remove this one. Now just have a look. Now it is presenting in. We have to view the text alignment also. Then only it will going to arrange all the text in the good form. We have to give the text alignment, everything we have to do. Just not present. I am showing how to present your text area. Now we are giving. Usually we keep the paragraphs in using the P. We have to use the end token over here. In text area, we had given the paragraph to keep our paragraphs. Usually we use the P to keep our paragraphs. So I had used the paragraph in our text area. Now have a look. Now look at here. It is displaying as it is what have we written. This is what is meant by the rich content element. It will not allow anything. Just look at here. We have given this attribute. It's showing the same. But when we remove the text area from our project, we are removing the text. Just we are keeping the paragraph. Now when we open this paragraph in our project, now look at here, there is no paragraph symbols. But when we use the text area, it's showing because this is a rich content element, it will not allow anything inside it. So this is happening. What now I had explained you about the normal element, void element, and RC element. Now we are going to look raw text element. What is this raw text element? Can present any content in page without the token. Without a token, it is a raw text entity used for presentation. Raw text elements start with ampersand and contain unique code. It is not required the start token and end token. It is just start with the ampersand and hashtag we can use. Now I will show you how can we use this one. I can remove this one. Ampersand hash we have to use. We have the every unique code we can use. We use the 8377 for Indian rupees. Now just have a look. We had used the ampersand. It is showing the symbol just over here. It shows the symbol of Indian rupees. We have to use the ampersand and hashtag. Now we have the other code over here. We can use 36 for dollar. Let's do it. Next, we can use ampersand hashtag 36. Now we can run. Here it's showing this way. Yeah, we had to 36 and then to open with live server. Now you can have a look. We have the Indian rupees, and just have a look. I have given in the line by line, but it is coming in the same line. What is this mean? This is an inline, so it is coming in the same block. So how can we block the content? Just I told you we can use the void content br for the break. To keep the break in our project, we can use the br. Just look here now how it's will go. Now just have a look. We have this way. We can use in this way. What is the we have used the br which is don't have the end element, that is an void element. Now you can understand slowly how can we using the normal element, void element, and RC element. This is what I taught you in our class: normal element, void element. We had seen the RC element. Now we had seen the raw text element. How can we use this one? Afterwards, we have another element called foreign element. Additional element extension run in browser. It cannot be run in our browser until we have the special browsers. It is a part of HTML but can't run across all the browser without extension. We need the extensions to run this. So I am not teaching this one. This is not required for you also, because it will need the special browser and the extensions to run this one. We need example like SVJ, Canvas, and Mathmal. This is what I taught you in our today's video. In next video, we are going to learn HTML colors and background and inline CSS attributes. As of now, this is enough. In deep summary, I will show you. In our first video, I had taught you how can we install our Node.js and the VS Code and all the extensions. Afterwards, I had taught you how can we add these files and folders. Then afterwards, I taught you how can we add the entry page index.html, and we had designed the basic structure of the HTML. And then slowly we had come to the head, and in the head part I had showed you how can we add title, link, and how can we add the image, and how can we give the logo to our project and everything. In the today's class, I had taught you that how can these elements are going to use HTML elements. I had taught you the head elements and the HTML elements, and we are starting now the body part. In body, we have to learn about, as I show you, I am going to teach you in the next class, in the HTML colors and background, in the next, and inline CSS style attributes we are going to learn in the next class. Click on the next video to continue learning HTML step by step and start building your first website today. Thank you. Have a good one.